All right, so we'll be picking out another important gene in the body today, and we'll be discussing its mutation. All right, so the gene we're going to treat today is the RB gene. The RB gene, okay? And under the RB gene, what is our focus? Our focus is to discuss possible medical conditions that will arise from RB gene mutation, okay? Possible medical conditions that will arise from RB gene mutation. So, looking at this, you could see all this is RB gene, okay, mutation, all right? So now let's read in the lecture what we have in the lecture. Mutations in the RB gene can have specific effect on cell cycle and tumor suppression, leading to various consequences, okay? So mutations can have significant effect on cell cycle and tumor suppression, and this will lead to what? Various consequences, including what? Uncontrolled cell growth and division, loss of cell cycle regulation, okay? There could be uncontrolled cell growth, okay? That's where you have all those tumors and cancers coming in. Then there could be loss of cell cycle regulation, right? So the cell is just undergoing the cycle without any control. Then there could be tumor formation and cancer development, for example, retinoblastoma, osteosarcoma, and soft tissue sarcomas, right? So if you pay attention, we are already talking about the possible medical conditions that will arise from what? RB gene mutation, all right? So pay attention and read between the lines. Then there's also increased risk of secondary tumors, right? Then there's resistance to chemotherapy and radiation therapy, right? So still moving on the sixth uh, outcome of RB gene mutation, there will be disrupted differentiation and apoptosis, okay? So basically, there will be disrupted programmed cell death, okay? The cell death will not be progressing the way it should if there is what RB gene mutation. Then basically, the individual will have genetic instability because there's something in your genes that is not right. So your genes in a whole will not be stable. Then there will be altered interaction with other tumor suppressors and oncogenes. There will be impaired DNA repair and replications. All right. There will be it will also contribute to what? Tumorigenesis and cancer progression. Okay. So you will see this. This is the most known medical condition from RB gene mutation, which is called what? Retinoblastoma. And retinoblastoma is basically a tumor in your retina, inside the eye. Okay. So moving forward, specific effects of RB gene mutations include what? Retinoblastoma, where we say that it's a biallelic mutation linked to what? Childhood eye cancer. Then we have osteosarcoma, osteosarcoma, right? And this is basically affecting the bones. Anywhere you see osteo, it is affecting the bone. The sarcoma is cancer, all right? Cancer of the bones. So RBG mutations are found in approximately what? 30% of osteosarcoma cases. Then we have soft tissue sarcomas. So RB gene mutations are present in some cases of soft tissue sarcomas. We have secondary tumors. RB gene mutations increases the risk of developing secondary tumors, all right? So you should note this. Specific effects of RB gene mutations can vary depending on the type and location of the mutation, as well as the individual's genetic background and environmental factors, right? So basically, um, the way another individual will respond to RB gene mutation will be different from the way another individual will respond to what RB gene mutation. Okay, so guys, that's it. And ending up, you guys will see what is osteosarcoma. And osteosarcoma is basically a cancer that affects the bones. Okay, just like the way I said it, it affects the bones. Okay, so I hope you guys have had a well visualized lecture on RB gene mutation. All right, just make sure you watch the lecture over and over again. All right, so that it stinks in. Okay, so that's it, guys, and bye for now.